Triple Fat Goose unboxing and review of the Chenega II $700 Parka jacket made with premium goose down and premium coyote fur. How does it fit? How warm is it? And how good is the quality? Find out towards the end of this video if I would recommend this brand for a premium fall and winter jacket, and we're starting right now. So what is the Triple Fat Goose company? Triple Fat Goose is America's original urban outdoors brand, a direct-to-consumer luxury outerwear company created in 1987. They specialize in luxury, ethically sourced, high-fill powered down with technical features and performance fabrications. The acronym F.A.T means for Arctic temperatures. As a youth, man, I used to hustle for loot with that little deuce and my Triple Fat Goose. Looking back, I heard of this brand from a rap song called Hate It or Love It, a G-Unit remix with Tony Yayo's verse on 50 Cent's Massacre album. Takes me back when mainstream hip-hop was still alive. Starting with fit, they run true to size. For reference, I usually wear a size small in most t-shirt brands and also most jacket brands, as I like them fitted to actually hold my body heat and keep me warm, plus have some shaping and form to remain stylish. After first trying it on, I absolutely love the fit. It's nice and snug on the sleeves but not tight, and also form-fitting throughout the shoulders, armholes, and down the body. The sleeves sit perfectly around the wrist bone for no tailoring needed. I also love the drop cord adjuster on the waist for an even closer and snugger fit. Not only does it keep you even more warm, but also shows more shape. I recommend getting true to t-shirt size unless you plan to put a lot of extra layers underneath or just like more of a baggy look. On to warmth. To start, the Triple Fat Goose website carries different ranges of warmth levels on their jackets, among other features. From warm to warmest, water resistant to waterproof, wind resistant to windproof, and finally lightweight to Arctic weight, and anything in between. So you can definitely find a jacket that's just right for you and your specific needs and climate. Simply filter out your needs on the website and find what's right for you with many different jacket models and options that suit your style. They also offer free shipping plus free returns. My experience with the warmth on the Chenega II jacket is that it's extremely warm and cozy. After first trying it on, I was completely blown away and surprised with the quality, with excitement. I've never worn anything like it. The goose down feels super warm and cozy. It hugs the body and arms close as well to keep you insulated. The removable down hood with also removable coyote fur has a built-in hidden wire for shaping the fur to keep you even more warm. Plus, the hood also has adjustable draw cords to hold your head even closer for the harshest conditions. It will keep you from losing body heat to really keep you warm and insulated. We find Velcro neck closures when needed, plus retractable storm cuffs with optional thumb hole openings. Let's not forget the quality. Fleece-lined pockets that keep your hands warm as well. Now into quality and specs and features. The Triple Fat Goose Chenega II Parka jacket is made with 700 fill power, 15.5 ounces of white goose down. It's 85% down, 15% feather, plus premium coyote fur. It has many features like the fabrics, HydroSeal waterproof fabrications, water repellency technology with DWR coating, and high-Q technology on the shell, plus seam sealing. Also, additional features like a removable and adjustable fur hood, adjustable waist, along with water repellent, two-way zippers, and so much more. It also has pockets on the inside and outside, not to mention the retractable nylon storm cuffs with optional thumb hole openings to keep your hands extra warm. The quality in stitching, fabrics used, build quality, and hardware is absolutely phenomenal. I don't know how many times I said, oh my god, with a smile upon unboxing. I was truly blown away. It's incredibly well made with the highest quality. I absolutely love the quality. It will also turn heads and is sure to receive compliments. You have to check out all the rest of the features. There's so many features I'll have to put up for you to check out now, so you can pause and rewind. Also I'll put a link on the jacket so you can check out the details there as well after the video. I would definitely recommend the Chenega II Parka jacket. Why buy cheap multiple times instead of buying once for a lifetime? So make sure you check them out with my personal link in the description. It really helps support the channel. Also, check out their other jacket selections. There's something for just about everyone and every weather condition and climate. They also have a women's line, plus for boys and girls, so don't forget about them too. I'd like to thank Triple Fat Goose for making these incredible jackets and for reaching out to me for a partnership. If you're watching, hopefully I get to try some of your other jackets in the future. There's a lot of good looking jackets for different occasions that I like, from lightweight to Arctic conditions, so check them out, SWAT soldiers, and support the channel with a link, and do it now after you destroy the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.